Okay, everybody, I want you to look at this. This is what happens when you sew a whole lot when you're making those rope bowls. See all the dirt? Very important to clean this frequently. So they make these attachments for small appliances, keyboards. They attach to your vacuum cleaner, and then they got all these different attachments here, and it's great to vacuum, suck out all that dirt. What you don't want to do is you do not want to use canned air, because if you use canned air, you'll just be pushing the dirt into the machine. Now, I've shown you in several of my tutorial videos how to clean this, but I didn't show you this little vacuum attachment. I want to show you this. You can get this anywhere. They sell sewing notions. They sell computer accessories. Just look it up online. Do a Google search. Okay, and you'll find it. So keep this in mind, all right, everybody? It really, really helps. Now, in my previous videos, I showed you how to take sewing machine oil on a Q-tip, and then you wrap it around inside the bobbin case area. The oil on the Q-tip is like a magnet to the dust. See what's still left after vacuuming? And you'll take the Q-tip and go down in here, and there's still a lot of stuff in there. See, there's still a lot in there. And then you're going to want to get a pair of tweezers and get in here. See all this I just pulled out? You know, when I taught across the country, people didn't know they had to clean their machine like this. Which I don't understand why they didn't know. Instruction manuals tell you to clean. If people don't read their instruction manuals, they're going to just cost themselves a whole lot of money in repair bills. Now, it is advised once a year to take your machine. If you sew a lot, it's advised once a year to take your machine into your sewing machine dealer and have them service the machine. Now, what does that mean by servicing? Well, what they'll do is they'll take the whole plastic housing off this. They'll expose all the guts. They'll get in there and they'll really deep clean this for you. They will oil it. They will make sure everything is tuned up. Places that you don't normally know where to oil, they'll oil for you because you can't have access to it. So be sure at least once a year, if you're using your machine a lot, to take it in and get it serviced. And then every time you sew, if you're doing a lot of projects like I'm doing these rope bowls, you need to get in here and clean. And don't forget to clean the bobbin case, the bobbin shuttle here, or the bobbin case that is. This is the shuttle and this is the case. Take the cloth and clean all the way around it. This is so important. So important. So, if you're a tidy housekeeper, you'll be doing this with no problem. If you don't know how to clean house, you're going to have issues. If you don't know how to Google, you're going to have issues. There's a lot of people out there that don't know how to Google yet. What's up with that, people? Huh? Why can't you Google when you want information? Do Google searches, go to websites, read information. Open your instruction manual, read. This is Common Basic Sewing 101. Sign up and take lessons at your local dealer. Read your instruction manual. Go online, look up information. All this information is there for you, just like you're watching my video right now. This video is showing you how to do this and why you need to do it. All right? I hope this helps you. Okay? Chop, chop, everybody. Bye-bye.